WA is experiencing some elements of a changing climate. Particularly what we see is variability in our seasons. They're much less predictable than they used to be. However, we are seeing drying, hotter climates. Water management is a really key area of interest for us. Western Australia is a predominantly rain-fed system, so we really rely on winter rainfall. Those industries that rely on surface water are constantly thinking about capturing and managing that rainfall. The South West WA Drought Resilience Adoption and Innovation Hub is really a connector. So our primary job is to try and bring together the needs of our regions, our farmers and our communities, together with the opportunities that are coming through the pipeline from research, development, extension, adoption and commercialisation of new technologies. We're focusing on breweries because our industry here is really strong and solid in the craft brewing space. We have over 120 craft breweries in Western Australia, which is about 20% of the Australian industry. Breweries do produce some wastewater. It's around about 5 litres of wastewater to 1 litre of beer that's produced. Breweries are really looking for solutions to manage their wastewater. Predominantly, however, most of that water does go through to our sewage systems.
PropaGATE is an innovation program. We take the challenges from growers and agri-businesses and try to find innovative solutions to these challenges that they have. We have 3 partners involved. So the first one is the Grow Group Alliance. Then we have the Food Innovation Precinct, Western Australia, and Beanstalk AgTech, an innovation advisory firm. We make the connection between the growers and the agri-businesses on one side and the innovators, the startups that have a new proven technology. We're trying to bring those two together to have the innovations that they've developed implemented here in Western Australia. So the first challenge that we are trying to solve through this program is one of wastewater treatment. And we're looking for innovators who actually have solutions to solve that, to come here and help the growers and producers here to solve that challenge.
This program is made possible thanks to funding from the Southwest WA Drought Hub, through funding from the Future Drought Fund and the Shire of Murray.
So specifically, this program will help technology suppliers in 3 ways. One, through market adoption, and the challenge main startups face is through moving from lab scale to commercial and demonstration. So this is where we would try and expedite that process. The PropaGATE program will also help the solution providers specifically to have access to physical space. So the Food Innovation Precinct sits on 2.5 hectares of land. We've got an R&D center and innovation space and a production facility. Through this ecosystem that we've set up, we have got better ways of connecting the innovators and the technology suppliers with the farmers, growers in the peel, but also outside of peel.
Collaboration is super important. It's essentially everything that we do. The important thing that comes through collaboration is the stimulation of ideas that are sparked by new connections, but also are we directing our resources into areas that are going to make an impact in Western Australia, and are farmers getting their needs heard? This program is really key to trying to understand what's out there and who's doing what in the industry. Solving some of these problems in breweries can translate into other industries.
We're calling upon innovators to apply to PropaGATE if they have a solution for wastewater treatment in breweries, abattoirs or other agricultural industries, and to apply on our website.